Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here to run through the trade with you on this 30th day of June, 2026. Boy, how time flies, eh? And we just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here's a trade taken in the room today by myself and others. So this is all how it went down. The situation is we've been going up for most of the day. We made one final gasp up at the top here, and then we've had consecutive candles coming down. This is the first candle on the way back down that has our strong candle indicator over it, which says go ahead, and in this case, it's a little red pyramid pointing down saying trade the market down to the bottom of the screen. So that's what we're going to do. So now I just need to set my targets. I look up here at the PVI. I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 50 and 80 ticks in length. So we'll pair our ATM to that, and we'll go for 16 tick first targets. We'll de-risk the trade, and then we'll run to try and catch runners to 30 and 60. And this is how it all went down in the live trading room today. So here is our sell order. The market's not as active as it was over the past couple of weeks, so we don't need a market order here. So here we go. We just need the market to pull up a little bit. All right, give me a pull up. There you go. All right, now we go. We want that extra failure point. So if it pulls up into that moving average and fails again, we're highly likely to get paid. So stop goes to the last major failure point. As soon as our first target hits, look what happens to the stop. Stop comes to a break-even position over top the current candle. And now we just sit back with our feet propped up, saying, let's see if we get our runners. So 16s and 30s are out. So in essence, we're 60 ticks ahead. We're about 300 US dollars, waiting to see if we can get our larger target out of it. So now we just sit here and we're in profit. There's nothing, we can't lose any money. We're 60 ticks ahead. Our stop is at minus 14. So the worst that can happen at this point is we get a 46 tick profit trade. If we go all the way, it'll be about 600 US dollars. And here we come, coming down to it right now. Boom. Okay, that trade took a minute and basically 13 seconds to complete and was worth 615 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 615 US dollars in a minute and what do we say? A minute and 13 seconds? Come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. The only place you're going to find the strong candle indicators and a couple of other that are proprietary indicators as well. Makes trading a breeze. You don't have to be a mathematician to to be able to trade the markets. So we look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. Until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.